Rangers. The irony of that is almost too good to be true.
Where do they come from, my lord?
An excellent question, Elsa. Wait. Freeze that picture. Elsa.
Who brought them to the party?
Lothar.
Lothar. He's a fool. Huh. A buffoon.
Yes. But one that could prove most useful. Find him and bring him to me.
Yes, my lord.
Is about to get a whole lot more interesting.
Dr. Robotnik. Enemy. Master registration deleted. E-Series. Friends. Must save.
This should do it. Perfect. All is well now. The Master Emerald and the island have been restored. Wow, what's this? A mural! What's this place? Where am I? This is really weird.
Why don't we just use our Dino Zords and kick their ninja butts? I don't get it.
Yeah, I'm with Connor on this one.
Me too.
Look, it's because they're people who were once good, but something has happened to them. Until we figure that out, we defend ourselves, but we don't destroy them.
Well, that was quite a sight.
It was brilliant.
You truly are a strategic genius.
I can't wait to face the Dino Rangers again.
What about you girls?
It's amazing. Best thing that we've ever done.
Enough! Now I have to take a power nap. Leave me.
Come on, okay. You're gonna need more than a nap to beat the Power Rangers. Lucky for you, my master is willing to help out.
How did you get in here?
This is a private lair.
Back off, buddy. If you know what's good for you. Mezagog doesn't mess around with amateurs. You don't know who you're messing with.
Wait, Tori. Mezagog has sent us his messenger. The least we can do is listen to the message.
Doing. He's always rescuing me, it seems. I should be more independent. You know, you sure surprised me by having a Chaos Emerald with you. No wonder they were after you, my feathered friend. Hey, a pendant! Wow! So I'll help you find your family. Does Eggman have them captive now? I bet he does. So I'll help you find your family. I've come this far. I may as well go all the way. That robot said Dr. Eggman's base is in the Mystic Ruins. So what do you say we check it out?
That's Eggman! I wonder what happened to Sonic.
I'm finished. Chaos was defeated, and now my egg carrier is ruined. No matter. I will destroy Station Square anyway.
If that missile is launched...
Ready? Fire! Ah! No, it was a dud. I can't believe this. Ah, I'll go and deal with it myself.
Oh no! I'd better get to that missile before he detonates it! I see it! I've got to get it before Eggman. The fate of Station Square depends on me. Oh, Sonic! I've changed a lot since I've started hanging with Sonic. But I can't depend on him forever. I know I can do this by myself. Okay, Eggman, bring it on!